Episode 2, Myelin, the insulation of power. We often assume that speed comes from stronger muscles, better conditioning, or more intense training. But speed has less to do with strength and more to do with how well your electrical signals are protected. The nervous system sends signals the way electricity moves through a wire. But electricity is useless without insulation. In the body, that insulation is called myelin. Myelin wraps around neural pathways like a protective sheath, allowing signals to travel rapidly, with clarity, and with minimal energy loss. If the sheath is thin, the signal slows down. If the sheath is damaged, the signal becomes noisy. If the sheath is strong and efficient, the body reacts instantly. This means that explosive power does not begin with muscle. It begins with insulation. Think of a high voltage cable. The power inside that cable means nothing without the right protective coating. Remove the coating and the power bleeds into the environment. Strength becomes waste, potential becomes noise. The same thing happens inside the body. A weakly insulated nervous system cannot deliver explosive speed, no matter how strong the muscles are. So the limiting factor in athletic power is not force production alone. It is how well protected the nervous system is as it delivers that force. And here's where things get more interesting. Myelin is not static. It is not a fixed material. It is alive, adapted, and continuously remodeled by experience. Research published in physiological reviews confirms that myelin is shaped throughout life by learning, skill refinement, and high-precision neural demand. In other words, the body builds insulation in response to speed, not in response to effort, not in response to exercise in general, but in response to activities that require rapid, clean signaling. This makes sprinting, explosive lifting, and precise athletic skill work not just physical training, but architectural training for the nervous system. We are not only strengthening tissue, we are constructing insulation. Only now, after understanding insulation, can we ask the right question. What is myelin made of? If myelin builds the architecture of speed, then what builds myelin? What material forms this insulation that determines our potential for power? The answer is not protein. It is not carbohydrate. It is not plant antioxidants. The primary raw material of myelin is fat. More specifically, cholesterol and saturated lipids form the structural backbone of the insulation that makes us fast. Meaning speed is not only trained, it is constructed from metabolic building blocks. And that construction depends on how we feed the nervous system. In the next episode, we will explore the simple truth behind this architecture. Fat builds speed. Until then, remember, explosive power is not a muscular quality. It is a structural one. And it begins with the insulation of your wiring. Adaptive bodywork, where we build the nervous system that builds performance.